Hello guys, welcome back to Lenap. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Toniebox not working off charger. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if your Toniebox only works while plugged in and doesn't function off the charger, well, there are going to be a few things that you could go ahead and try. So first things first, before trying the other options we are going to do, you want to make sure that your Toniebox is fully charged. Now, the charging time usually depends like around 3 to 5 hours before it can work without the charger. So you want to place it back on your charging station until it reaches its full charge here. Now, next is you want to check your battery health here. Now, if your Toniebox only works when plugged in, the battery might be faulty. So you can check the battery health by disassembling the Toniebox here and measuring its voltage. Now, the battery should read around 3.6 volts. If it's significantly lower, it may need replacement. Now, also you may want to inspect your charging station here. Just make sure that your charging station is working properly. Now, you want to check for any visible damage, like for example, the power cord here, there might be some bites on it, or if it's like, for example, the corner here are loose. Well, in this case, it may be a faulty charger and your Toniebox might not be receiving proper power for it. And also, whenever you're charging your Toniebox here, you may want to avoid using extension cords or any cords that splits the power on it. Now, sometimes this actually splits the power from your outlet, and your Toniebox might not be receiving enough power. So just directly plug this into a wall outlet and see if that actually helps. Now, next is you may want to power cycle your Toniebox here. Now, typically, in order for you to power cycle this, you need to look for the big ears that you see here. So in this case, these are the ears that we are looking for. So you want to go ahead and just simultaneously press these two ears for a few seconds and just release the buttons, and you will hear a sound coming from it. So in this case, you can go ahead and just turn it off, then on, and see if that helps. Now, if none of this actually work, well, in this case, the last thing that you could try doing here is you may need to contact Toniebox support. Now, sometimes they could give you further instructions or further details that or further things that you could try doing here to solve the problem. So if you just bought this recently, they may give you a replacement or even a voucher that you could use on your next purchase for of a Toniebox here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len Up. Thank you for watching.